By now, we know that the process of issue of shares in practicality involves many peculiar scenarios. Within this, we have already discussed in detail call scenarios and calls in advance, oversubscription and undersubscription, and issue of shares at a premium. Now, let us discuss the issue of shares at a discount. We saw that when shares are issued at a price above the nominal value of the shares, then such issue is called as issue of shares at a premium. On the other hand, when shares are issued at a price below the nominal value, then it is said that shares are issued at a discount. When the shares are issued at a discount, then it is important to know that the value of the discount is not transferred to the share capital. The value of discount is not a part of the share capital. The actual value of shares at face value is transferred to the share capital, and the value of discount is posted as a debit against it in the discount on issue of shares account. Such discount amount will be set off from the securities premium account or written off through the statement of profit and loss over a period of 3 to 5 years. In the process of accounting for issue of shares at a discount, the accounts opened or affected are the share allotment account, discount on issue of shares account, and the share capital account. The issue of shares at a discount can be done only if certain conditions are satisfied in this regard. The conditions that need to be satisfied in order to make an issue of shares at a discount are that such issue should be authorized by an ordinary resolution passed by the company at its general meeting. Such ordinary resolution must specify the maximum rate of discount at which such issue will happen. The maximum rate of discount should not exceed 10% of the nominal value of shares. The issue of shares at a discount must be within 2 months from the date of receiving sanction from the government in this regard. If the government allows any extended period, then the issue must be done within such extended period of time. For a company to make issue of shares at a discount, the company should have completed at least 1 year from the date on which it had commenced its business. And finally, the issue of shares at a discount should be of a class of shares which has already been issued before. And now, let us see the journal entry to be passed at the time of issuing shares at a discount. The normal journal entries which we generally pass at the time of issue of shares will be the same even in the case of issue of shares at a discount. However, the amount of discount is generally brought in at the time of allotment. So let us discuss how that one particular entry, while recording the allotment amount due, is affected when shares are issued at a discount. When the share applications are accepted and shares are allotted, the allotment money becomes due. Once the allotment money becomes due, it becomes a part of the share capital and has to be posted to the share capital account and can be received later. Now, in a scenario where the shares are issued at a discount and brought into the books of the company at the time of allotment, then the entry passed is by debiting the share allotment account with the net allotment money due as reduced by the discount amount. Another debit is given to the discount on issue of shares account with the value of discount, that is, the number of shares allotted multiplied by the amount of discount per share. The credit is given to the share capital account with the value of allotment money at its nominal value without being reduced by the discount. The effect of this entry is that a balance is being created in the share allotment account for the money becoming due and is being bifurcated appropriately. The portion that belongs to the share capital is being posted to the credit of share capital, and the portion of discount is being posted as a debit against the share capital in the discount on issue of shares account. When the money will eventually be received, the balance in the share allotment account will get closed.